Hello, I am Mikaela Hatami, brand manager, fashion manager, and business developer. I'm talking about how you can be success in your business and how you can start it. Today's step by step. Today's step is step number 5. So, step number 5 is clarity. How we can have clarity. It means you need to write it down. Write your business plan. What is your plan? What you want to do? Who is your customer? What is your advantage to your competitor? Who is your competitor? How you can? How are your superior to your customers? And you need to clearly write your plan. And it is very important to very clearly what you want to do. You need to write your goals, and you need to know very clearly. You need to manage your time. What are the best business management or business tools that you ever discover, and you need to know. Always work from a list and write a checklist. Write your business plan, and so write it down. Write your goals. Set deadline for your goals. For example, I will achieve these goals by this time, these days, and take action. Do something every day. Thank you for watching me. Like me and follow me. Thank you.